Today, I'm going to unbox a coffee table that you can find from Amazon, a Nordic style coffee table bought online. So before you assemble it, first look at the screw provided. So they have 2 long screw and 4 short screw provided. Okay, so make sure you have assembled and arranged your screw. That's the first trick that I'm going to show you in order to successfully and easily assemble this coffee table, Nordic style coffee table that you can find from Amazon. Let's get started. So this is the main frame, the U frame, and then you have a L-shaped frame, the shorter side attached to the main frame, the U frame. All I need to do first is actually hand tighten it, the screw. You do not want to tighten it first. Hand tighten all the screw, then one is stable, then only you tighten it. You see the longer one screw goes into here. So longer screw here, left and right, there are only 2, isn't it? One here, then one here, the shorter side here. So I'm using the main circular frame to gauge which one is the correct L bracket to use. So the longer side is with the main U frame. Okay, so hand tighten it. The overall process, it's very simple, roughly half an hour to unbox and to install it. And you can buy this online cheaply. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm doing it. So then I use the level spirit. There's a bubble here. Place it onto the main frame. Check if it's at the center. Yes, that's the center. And then the other side, yes, it's also at the center. Then I know it's time to hand tighten it. Okay, the Allen key is provided. But if you have your own Allen key, I think the one that you bought online is even better. I mean, your own Allen key should be better. The one provided is, I think, slightly too big. Okay, then this is actually the stud for the base. Sorry, here there are 4 of them. Hand tighten it, 1, and then 2 and 3. You can actually hand tighten left and right, and then followed by the 4th one over the other side. So to shorten this video, I have actually skip it to show all the process. Okay, so all 4 done. Turn it around. This is where you're going to place the circular frame for the marbles table. There you go. Okay, so first rule of thumb, you always hand tighten the screw. You do not want to tighten it first. Hand tighten it, all 4. Make sure it's aligned first, and then you hand tighten it. Okay, once you have align them, then when you hand tighten it, make sure it's flat, hand tighten it, and then they will provide the double-sided tape. I think there are 7 or 8, 7. Okay, make sure it's flat. If it's not flat, oh, okay, it's wobble. Then you need to adjust the stud at the base. Okay, left loose, right tight, right hand grip rule. Make sure it's flat. Okay, it's flat now. Then I'm going to clean the surface. Apply the double-sided tape provided, okay, 7 of them, and then only try my best to place it in such a way that it's at the center of the circle, and done. Try to push it in and let it sit for maybe 15 minutes so that the glue actually cure and stick onto the piece of marble. That's all from me. And then this is the first time watching a video, remember to subscribe to my free channel and appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.